Hi, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you're going to install Facebook Pixel into Clickfunnels. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to support the channel where I'll be showing or doing content like this from time to time. Now let's go into it, and as you can see, this is my Clickfunnels account. So we want to have every page to have your pixels. So what is pixel for those that they are new? So pixel is a code by Facebook where they used to track and to make sure that you actually see certain things, right? So it is not cookie, it's just a tracking tool. And what happened is it's important when you want to do campaign like conversion campaign, because you want to track that you go from the landing page to the next page, which is the thank you page or whichever sales page after that. So they want to track the conversion. So I'm going to show you how you're going to install the pixel generally into each of these websites, and also where do you install the conversion the event pixel inside as well. So now this is the ClickFunnels. So you just go to edit page, and for those that don't know about pixel, where to get it, so let me just show you. So this is the Facebook event manager page where it shows the pixels. So I have not been using this for a while, so there's no activity. So last time, I think some layout they still have, when you click on the burger icon, right, you'll be in horizontal, then you will fall under events manager, and events manager there'll be a tab for you to click on pixel. But for this new layout, immediately when they open up, you click on this icon, you have to immediately click on events manager. They don't show any word pixel there, so this layout is not really beginner friendly, because people will not know where to click to find the pixel. But since that I know it's in events manager, so I click on events manager. When you click on it, then you just have to go to this page and you just click setup pixel. And when you go click on setup pixel, they will have this page that pop out. Go to manually add pixel code to your website. Right? As you can see, install at the header section of your site, just above the header tag. So when you're at the website for Clickfunnels, you can see that when you click on settings, you go to tracking code, right? You go tracking code, and then you see there's header and footer, right? And then you just have to click on this, copy code to clipboard, go to here, and you just have to paste it here. Click save. Yes. Save. Now, how do you check whether the pixel is installed or not? You just have to open up the preview, and then you have to have this. I'm not sure you can see it, but it is this blue color thing, which is called Facebook Pixel Helper. So from there you can see whether the Facebook is installed or not. When you click on it, you can see that it is. If you are the owner of the pixel, you can see the pixel name, but however, if you are in other people's site, you cannot see the pixel name, or not everyone will know the pixel name, right? So you get to see there are two events, which is page view and microdata, right? Okay, now this step, you have to go one page to add, because this step only put the header code at the beginning of at the header of each site. So ClickFunnels, they have a way where you can install one time, and all the pages in your funnel will have the pixel code. So let me just remove this for now. So if I remove it, right, and then I save, so you just refresh, you see the code is no longer here. There's nothing, no pixels found. Okay, so what you can do now is you just go exit, then you go to settings. You go to settings, then you will see that there will be head tracking code. So the moment you install this, it will be appear in all your funnels, okay, in all your pages. So let me just save here, save and update settings. So now just click here, and then it's installed. You see, it's already here. It's installed, automatically installed. And now you notice I was just playing with the opt-in. Yeah, what about thank you page, right? So for example, now I go to thank you page. Now I will check it out. And as you can see, even though I never touch at all, the pixel is already there. Okay. So now, just to give you the brief explanation for conversion campaign, right? When you opt in, then after you opt in all the information, you go to the next page, which is thank you page. So the way you attribute this is when people land on the thank you page, right? Then you will Facebook will know that, oh, actually this person already opt in. Okay, let me just find this code here. Okay, so we are looking to set up new events. Okay, so we want to make sure this events is there, as in the when people log in, they go to the page, they go to thank you page. So we need to put a code in the thank you page, because when people land into thank you page, it just means that people already opt in, right? If they follow the flow. If they don't follow the flow, then Facebook will not attribute it as a conversion. So for Facebook attribute conversion, you first have to land the opt-in page, and then you go into the thank you page. Then Facebook will only attribute that kind of event as a conversion event. Okay, so for example, you go to now set up new events, event tools. So now I don't want this. I want to manually add the event code. For Clickfunnels, it's better to do manually than to use the automatic, because I think I read it before previously that it is not so accurate. However, you can test it out. So when you click on this, right, you got the link here. You just have to copy the link here and put it here, right? Then you click open website. So the website is here. So everything is good, and then it's connected, right? So you do not, you want to have the control of it. So it's better to put the conversion code there, right? So now it's already linked. So when you link, you are able to go to the page, and then you set it's like a custom, it's not custom conversion, it's custom event. So I do not want that. I want it to manually install the code. So I manually add the event code, okay? And I want it as a lead. One for lead. So I'm not doing this. I'm not in e-commerce. For example, if I will take professional services, so I want lead. So when you click on this is the code. Conversion value none. So this is the code. You can put the conversion value and the currency there as well. So when there's for example, if people buy something, this is usually for e-commerce, but we keep this for just for lead. So you just copy the code to clipboard. You go to here. You open the page, okay, then you go to settings, then you go to tracking code, and you put it in the header code. So it will be here. So every time when people opt in, they will see this code, and then Facebook attribute it as a conversion, as a lead conversion, and just save. So you go to preview, and then you see it is here. Page view lead. So the events is here. It is that simple to install in Clickfunnels. So you can, even with this, if you set up proper landing page, go thank you page, this can automatically run to Facebook ads already. You can immediately put the opt-in to Facebook ads, then you can automatically attribute the conversion into this. So this is how you install Facebook Pixel in Clickfunnels, and also to install the lead event inside a thank you page to attribute into a lead. When you run a conversion campaign, to attribute it to as a lead. So if you like what I've shared today, kindly subscribe to my channel, give me a like, comment if you have anything, if you have any question you want to ask, feel free to put in the comment section below, or hit me up in all my social media. So subscribe, and I see you in my next video. Goodbye.